Someone sees you. Go,
I
elevator
didn't
now.
realize your room was on this floor.
Ja. Haluatko tekisautuutoormuun sqatiispillassan tikissoratsi.
The Spectrum Retreat.
Kingullarmit positiivilorniko ngamassakkummita.
Ah, good morning. I hope you had a restful sleep, and I do apologize for the disturbance. Hopefully you recall requesting this wake-up call. And while we iron out one or two technical difficulties, I hope you don't mind this somewhat personal touch. Breakfast is being served in our restaurant downstairs. I'll let the host know you're on your way. And please, enjoy your stay.
Good. I think you got away with that one. Head down to the restaurant as before. We have to get this cycle started before we try to subvert it. Sorry, that was overly technical. The hotel runs to a specific timetable based on fulfilling your basic physical needs. In the morning, you have to feed. At night, you have to rest. Until you do these things, the hotel sort of stops and waits until you complete these actions, even if they seem a bit, well, arbitrary. It's just how this place was built.
Ja. Betiteqqummit.
Oh, hello. As you can see, the elevator is out of operation for the time being. It'll be operational again soon.
Okay. Tama na rin nasi mo tsakisyo hutirimon nakayakto. Wait. What happened? Ako na nuwak. Kano piso kasi mga me. Spring yaksin na sa ngaro. Mamis kontrolik kita sa ngaro. So on spring girang ito. Asya. Sang na gira nakayakto.
Now there's someone who knows how good our famous breakfasts are. Sorry to report the weather has taken a turn for the worst, but don't let that spoil your appetite. Please, make yourself comfortable in the restaurant.
Okay. Hello.
I hear breakfast is especially good this morning.
Hello.
A very good morning. Morning. Hope you enjoy your stay.
Yay. Sunamitan yes. Episode tanan naon. Spring action lang gila. Tama tingkat sa ako sa industry makakita mo. Pingwak.
Good morning. Your reserved table is ready when you are. And please mind your step. Seems that Mr. Crow left in something of a hurry.
Harry. Hello. Narusakin nga sa may ambasok akto.
Employee 237 entry number 7 3 months in progress is slow but steady. I couldn't have anticipated how tricky designing for emergent technology would be. The R&D team is adding something new every other day now. It's impossible to plan for more than a week's work. Word is there's a lot of paranoia higher up the spectrum chain about our competitors. They're obsessing over any marketable advances that can be made. As a designer, I have to find places for those. The others are going all over the place with their settings. I mean, why not go to the moon? I think something more familiar is better suited for me. The experience shortlist for the next public testing round is in 2 months. I need to nail something down soon.
Mao yang sasamassapuang ma. Tukataro ka nga tuwang ngidagka. Tamakwa, tamaza, soktaw ng Islam.
Morris Armstrong from St. Luke's School. Again. I have to tell you that poor little Robin has had a terrible fever since arriving this morning. It'd be best if someone could collect him. He should be at home.
I hope everything is to your liking.
You should get going. I don't know how long you'll have access to floor 2. That's if you have access to floor 2. I am... Oh, damn it. I have to go. Get to the elevator.
Up be my baby. My robot baby. Siya po tokpok si Masud sa kangisit. Saka from may di pa ako buman.
That was close. Let's just say you're not the only one keeping up appearances.
May sinisyo ng bili ako makpok sa ka-fraud.
There's something about the Penrose Hotel that makes you want to stay forever. Wouldn't you agree?
Agree. Hello, friend. Dapat nastiya siya. Dapat mi dapat. Yan mi dapat ko tayo ba takwa ko box. Dapat mi dapat suri mi tamani subunga kaksa sing lugi. Nunduak.
I can't stay on the line. Get to the elevator quickly. Right, now for the moment of truth. See if you can access floor 2.
Basta ko jomoan. Luxus. Asas to
Yes. Good. The credentials are surviving the daily reset, and so far, it seems you are too. We've still got a shot at pulling this off. Getting you out of this bloody place. There should be another access point up here.
Whoa, what? Matican. Mamatistu.
Remember to look for anything that distinctly stands out. You're looking for another keypad. Ooh, I am getting some strange readings here. Hold your phone out in front of you. That's weird. Your phone scans these clue assets, letting me see them, and if I can see them, that means they're on the system, but this isn't like any of the hint keys that get left for QA. I'll worry about that later, I guess. If what you've scanned is legit, then somewhere in this godforsaken place, someone makes a note of the weather. Find them. I'll monitor your progress.
Keypad. 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 Nope.
Look, whoever it is you need to find, there's no one up here. So, head for the lobby now, I guess.
Lobby. Mukhang reaksyon ang misil dito mo. Mau kan reaksyon jigit suaks lang positive mo mga shit. Saksong na to yung big. Simut dapat ang moon. Diri urut tiko di dudu. So nga nakto yung migingit sila niya ako nakpungasin.
Hello there. You know, I do believe the weather might actually be on the mend. Speaking of dry spells, I trust you'll be attending the big show this evening.
Speak.
Hold on, did he mention the weather?
Speak to the driver. A maximum? Narusahan ang Maximus. Ang mutaman. John the Grinch.
The beta for the Penrose is wrapping up. 47 testers in and they love it. Unrivaled luxury. I'm fascinated by the effect the manager Al has had on the experience. His ability to monitor and adapt to the user is proving invaluable. The difference in the experience by the end for each user can be massive. I've removed further restrictions on his ability to modify the hotel itself and given him override access on the other staff. This will be the most personal retreat that Spectrum offers. We go live in 1 week.
Pamilya. Dapat makluminissimo kaya sheets.
Hello there. You're a bit early for the show, but the manager most certainly shares your enthusiasm. I hope we'll see you here later.
Oo nga. Siya mo? Di mo rak? Tama ni? Oh, takoy nga kaman na. Sorokroon.
Hello. I thought you were the manager for a moment there. The show starts later. No doubt he's mentioned it to you. He does so love a good illusion.
Sounds like the hotel manager is quite a fan.
Employee 237 entry number 21. I think I've got it. I'm making a hotel. I know, we can give people presents anywhere, doing anything. And I'm making what sounds like a normal vacation. Thing is, I don't think the others realize how much this tech could enhance the normal. In a digital space, we don't have to settle for a great hotel, we can achieve perfection. Spotless rooms, perfect staff, perfect food, never-ending entertainment that runs like clockwork. The ultimate retreat. I'll leave the space exploration to the others, this will work.
Have a look around. Sounds like there's another room close to the stage. You might find what you need there.
Ang bakery. Asan ikaw kang mayari? Didi. Didi 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 do 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 do. Da 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 da. Ato kaya tok to. Shit up.
Are there any other rooms you can see? I'm getting some bizarre readings in your immediate area. There must be something here.
O karutsakak si mga ne. Stak ti tokingan. Biyak.
Employee 237 entry number 41. Dear God, I don't believe it. The Penrose Hotel has been shortlisted for public testing. There are issues, plenty of them. But my gamble on perfecting the familiar might just have paid off. I've got meetings with executives through next week. I think this might be it. The broad strokes of the design are final and implemented. Dozens of simulated guests with fantastical backstories and wonderful character. Perhaps my proudest achievement is the library. Taking advantage of the simulated nature, I can preload it with every book ever written and contain it within a grand, but limited space. I've also worked with some of the folks in R&D to develop a modified AL agent to act as the manager. He'll adapt to the user's every need, with less limitations than the other staff. Exciting times.
This is completely against protocol, leaving this out in the open.
Trials CUV.
Just there, 5382. That's what we need. Get going quickly before someone sees you. Go,
I
elevator
didn't
now.
realize your room was on this floor.
Ah! Oh, sorry. Gawin ako, kama na mo. See you. Стоялся CUV. Камошиwa ka dyan na. Kasuta kang narinig sa...
Oh, sorry. I'm under a lot of pressure. But this isn't about me. This is about justice. About getting you out of here and... Oh, shit. Sorry, Yes, I'm not sure the root cause. I've put a ticket in with IT. No, I can manage. Thanks.
Second. Tama.
I hope you realise soon what's at stake here for both of us. 5382. Good luck.
Next. Чиглэлварлага positive moons. No, чита. Wait again. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba ba. Red. Special dipping. Sun raising different. Yep. Cuộc sống với rất bật xe của ba ấy bác à. Nó sẽ có cả không? Đồ. That's the moment. Say what? 가곡도 맞자고 공인이 시간이 따와 가곡도 공인이 신약다야가시 저가시치 따와 낙석 공인이 시간네 따와 나가곡도 지공안네 아빠르티소니시 아 thank you. Dapat apa sih mo? Ako naman na sana shooting na. 근데 지금 사사가야 함이야. Nakakukto. Daba. Nga. Daba. Nakasipi ko nga. For some reason. Apa itu? Nga. Daba. Why? Suppose more one. 아빠를떡 속벌떡 지금 약속했을까? 속벌떡 원이 아빠를 뜨뜻싸고 상을 찍힐까 그와 David kita mengayo isu ini sekarang reaksi 지칭 길 다와 진나가 빅프리 이제 쇼킹 빵 이엽 cũng có bật ra cái rồi các con sắp bắt được so up to Dava una unisita kaya kakpokasit Dava ngo honest watching out to decorate yaksu Shout out. Wow! Ecco, ripacci da Mavisa. Sunringen. Api, kanunggak takaya kasyungan. Nangosi launching ulaqayallu. Qoqsoqaluttuani tussaaqayaami. Sullitamaareqqagunnernerlu. Alleqqartussaasangamaamma. Thank you. Tava qoqsoqaluttoq misidik. Qoqsoqaluttu misileqqalaarluguunga. Ammaayuqaappalut. Yusinaqlungan itiga. Atasiap kau tuilit kasussawa parittumunga. Tava qoqsoqaluttu tihunganni. Litsungitisaqiaqarput. Positiviasi tiliportuneqqumittoq qulaanukapilussu. Naqortussaqa. God damn it! тавақаортуаллерпаамис аппалуттууниттутигул тавооккунокулаанукаарлуга орсорпалутторла аппалутторлу парлаангассаппуам Lumigo e pegat na niyak sa ay. Est. Positive yun niyak pa. Puf. Puf. Adam. Ready money bill. Ready. No now. Ay. Inisiyo fe to kato yung rokbo. Una protito sa kaya kami. Dapat perjuangan nih. Ashi. Red. Yeah. And green. Yeah. Red. Again. Wait, I'm not. So, nakasang naktayo sa pasipon. Dami si itaal suni. Tawa masakot asya ko jinirikasyo kasi. Kung ito nga nakanood yung kaokto aparito aparito 지금 미시와가 오니 다 kaokto 다음에 지금 aparito asa kaya kasyo Almost. Meron kasi ako nakuksukpal. siya nga ro. Daba. Kundi sa kamong kautong, aparito. Check in. Finish. Sun vision.ここがなくした。Wala kautun na pa yan. 아파르토 아니 쇼이라쇼 미시리키 가마쇼가 다먹기 좀 또 아파르토 Dapat siya ning sakas apaluto Qassaqaasarsornaluum missigisoortapoo minutserpar. Keys. Sun region. Red Hill. Tava. Unisoma Apert. Tava koksok to. Tawagin ko koksok pa rin tusok ko na matong na yakpa ha. Swati heart. I need to rate. Rage day. On vision. Rage. Sinaksabayak pusok. I need to rage. Race day. And you're there. And red and it is shine. Queen, Queen. Continue game. Red, Queen, red. Continue. Okay. Kasaksong na lang tayo nga may 1 notes. Dami rin na yung nangituwa ang ulakbo. Iso na ba tumod isang tiyak sa sasyo nga. Spindi naman na niyak tayak ako. Sun vision. It's not all here. Tawa. Pero kita ko karareak. Queen. Red, green, red, green, red, again. Red, 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 red. Sama bertok apa? Bertong irisin nào, tao nọc sắc ông irisin nào. Dava bertuin na visuita song ediput. Shan vision. Taxi sa kauto kami. Ta-da! Wow. Апаратон нэрутиннарторюс тааваунерлиутеққарнеа. сиуллерпааппаами кисараа. Аутторни луатиннарторюсуссаасо. Тусиани ингерлаариаққинниаақарп тилуатиннарнерпаа. Аппал. Wait a minute. Great rich. Confusion nangara. Limingo kano mujini perché. Suutsin 싶구나 너. 뭐가 깍지 수화가 잡힌이잖니? 인가? 순하시마시마 롱나.
Hello?
Mr. Matthews, this is...
Yeah, I know who this is. Madison, right? Guess it's your turn to shout at me now.
I am so sorry about Alex. You must understand, we're under so much pressure and we're both just worried about our little boy.
I don't know what else I can say. You've maxed out what your healthcare plan can cover.
Please, there must be other options. We've taken every loan we can.
Look, despite what you might think, I'm not the monster here. You have my sympathies, really, you do. I got kids too. What you're going through, I wouldn't wish on anyone. But I can't bend the rules. I'm sorry. I can't sign off on this.
Apretujte nagra. Ona ci go nawoda na. Makan apa itu kan? Apa itu kok nih saksinang ngayami? Dawa naksyong isikane. Isang reason. Simingo kan horiong yakshi. Ako karipachi makshojin na kami. Okay, doggy, doggy, ba 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 ba. Kami tu kasi kaya. Jenna back. Namaz. Saan pa Tom zone?
You're doing really well. We're making good progress. Listen, I'll speak to you tomorrow.
Okay. Aber mit der war der Stissa. Saklısı bir ne o ne yapıyor?
Guess who? Oh, you're doing really well. Each access point you trigger is breaking down a kind of barrier is probably the easiest way to put it. Oh, incoming.
So, nanatarak po sa 20 sinas na po isinlaklak sa basis po na sa bahay. Bye-bye.